Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to set up Instagram Shopping 2025. So let's head over to the steps I'm going to show you so that you can make. So you have to switch to a business profile. Go to your Instagram profile and tap the hamburger icon on the three lines in the top right corner and select settings and then account and choose switch to professional account. Follow the prompts to set up your business profile, ensuring your products comply with Instagram's commerce policies. And link your Instagram business account to a Facebook business page. This allows you to sync business information and use features like appointment buttons and donation stickers. Go to your Instagram business profile and tap the menu, tap business, and then sign up for shopping. Then tap get started. Select the product catalog you want to connect to your account. If you don't have one, you can create a new catalog through Meta Business Help. And confirm your website if you plan to use a checkout on another website as checkout method. And submit your account for review by Meta. Why did you like it? Review your shop details, review and agree to the seller agreement and click finish to complete the setup creating for your shop. So yeah, this is how you can just set up Instagram shopping. Hope this video will help you out. If you found any problem, just make sure to reach out to us by commenting down